Good morning, students. In this way, you all, I am teaching this chapter. The chapter's name, The Rat Trap, and that is written by Selma Lagerlof. She was a Swedish writer, and in this chapter, I completed till here. And after this one is paragraph which I need to teach you all. In the above paragraph, we have studied that what is the condition of the peddler. Peddler मतलब sailor. Sailor मतलब वो ये the rat trap ना. When he enters the company, yeah, when he enters the forge na, he enters the forge only due to the light that comes out from the through the window, and with the help of that light, because it is the night time, with the help of that light he enters. And when he enters, his condition, what is his condition? Writer describes that he has a long beard, dirty ragged, and with a bunch of rat traps which are hanging on his chest. So I hope till here I completed in the last video, and I hope that you all studied, yeah. You can say heard or listened this video. So in this video, I am going ahead to teach you all. In this one is the paragraph. He asked the permission to stay, and the master blacksmith nodded a hearty consent. Hearty means suppose that you have something, and if anyone asks you, can you would you give me this thing, expressing yourself that this one is the my thing, this one is the my own thing. And when you give him or her, so you express yourself in which way you give. Haughty means you can say garv, you can say ghaman type, such type of thing. Consent, consent, it means sahmati, without honoring him with a single word. Here, Blacksmith understands himself that he is the master of this forge, because he is attorney general present time of this company, of that company. So when rat traps, you can say peddler asks him permission, may I stay today in your company? He gives him permission, but when he expresses himself, he expresses that he is also he has a great haughty consent, and in this way he nods and he gives him permission. It means master, he means blacksmith, master blacksmith, and gives to whom, he gives permission to right type. In this way, this paragraph is over. Let me roll down. This one is the next paragraph. The trap did not say anything. Either he had not come there to talk, but only to warm himself and sleep. And I already, tramp means tramp, meaning of tramp means vagabond. Vagabond means peddler. In this way, till now, I found how many, by how many names the protagonist of this story is addressed. First of all, peddler. Second one, tramp. Third one, you can say vagabond. So tramp is also synonyms. You can say like synonyms like of vagabond. It means savara. So you, earlier in the previous paragraphs, we have studied that throughout the day, a walking peddler is totally tired and he wants to stay. No, he wants to place to stay there. So when he finds such type of company, he comes here and he takes permission. And when he finds permission, he does not like to say even one word. No, because he is totally tired. He needs to hit himself sitting beside furnace, because inside furnace the coal is burning. So in this way, the heat of the furnace, he can hit himself. So for this purpose, he does not like to speak even one word, but he enters the company, and as soon as he finds permission, he sits beside that furnace. And I already told you, blacksmith also, blacksmith does not look after that person, but only he casually he looks at him, and after this way he agrees. And in this way, this one is over. Let me roll down. In those days, the iron in those days the Ramsjo iron mill was owned by a very prominent iron master. Prominent money, you can say famous, prominent iron master whose greatest ambition was to ship out. This one is the ship is a verb, but after this verb we find a preposition, so it becomes phrasal verb, and the meaning ship out means comes in market, good iron to the market. He watched both night and day to see that the work was done as well as possible, and at this very moment he came into the forge on one of his nightly rounds. This one is the night. Night, we know night is a noun, but night is also adverb. Here we noun. Night is also adjective, but when we add ly in any adjective, it becomes adverb. So nightly, this one is the adverb. Rounds of inspections. In this paragraph, we find who is the master of this company. The writer describes that the name of this company, Ramjo Iron Mill, na? And this and the master of this company, he is a very prominent person. He is a very prominent iron master, and each and this iron master has a great ambition. You can say he is very ambitious, and he wants to not only to earn money, but he also wants to uh, produce good raw material, produce good thing in the market by his company. So for this purpose he continuously comes to the company to observe, to inspect everything is okay or not. And this one is thing, and this time he comes to the night to inspect. It means on that night, on that night is it means on that night company master has come to inspect the company, the work of the company is running on well or not. For this purpose he comes here to observe. So in this way, in this paragraph, we find who is the master and what is the quality of this master and which type of quality master has, and what is his ambition, how he wants to do in his company. In this way, this one is the over. Let me roll down next paragraph. Naturally, the first thing he saw was the tall ragamuffin who had eased his way so. Ragamuffin, you can say the meaning of ragamuffin, a person who uses torn cloth. Ragamuffin man फटा पुराना चिथड़ा कपड़े. Who had eased his way so close to the furnace. Ease, I already told you, this one is the verb. It means asan. His way so close to the furnace that steam rose, rise second form rose from his wet rags. Iron master did not follow the example of the blacksmith. Here we find this who had hardly deigned. Deigned, Den, there are two Den. One Den you can Den Den. This one is the place of lion, and this one is Den Deigen. Den means to show yourself better than any other person. This one is the Den. अत्यधिक बेहतर अपने आप को प्रस्तुत करने की प्रक्रिया को डेन कहते हैं. टू लुक एट द स्ट्रेंजर, ही वॉक्ड क्लोज अप टू हिम, लुक्ड हिम ओवर वेरी केयरफुली. ओवर, you can say when we watch anything from top to bottom, this process is known as over. So here he looks at him from bottom to top, and then tore off his slouch hat. Slouch hat माने a hat which has round, which has extra thing all round. You can say extra cloth around. No, looked him. Oh, sorry. Had to get a better view of his face. In this way, we find in the above paragraph now the company master has entered. The company master has entered the company, and so when he enters the company, he finds a person who wears a very torn cloth, ragamuffin, and he is sitting beside the furnace, and the heatness of furnace, he heats himself too, and is sitting beside the furnace. And but iron, there is a difference, you can say here a philosophical meaning. There is a philosophy in this paragraph. There is a difference between master and servant. When our master comes here, he does not follow the way of blacksmiths, the way of the, you can say, servants, but he comes to the stranger, he comes to the stranger and he looks him, he observes him, he inspects him. And in this way, when he inspects him, when he observes him, he also put off his slouch hat from his head to know his face. In this way we finds the meaning of this paragraph. In this paragraph we finds about the iron master, about the master of company, which type of nature he has, what is difference between iron master and his servants. So in this way, this one is over. Let me roll down next paragraph. But of course it is you, Nils Olof, he said. How you do look. In this way, as soon as the master of company removes the slouch hat या cap from his head, he understands he is none but his old friend. His name is Nils Olof. And when he finds his friends, his name is Nils Olof, he says, "What's your condition? How you live your life, no? How your condition has been so miserable." In this way he expresses, who expresses here iron master, you can say the owner of the company, expresses his opinion with the help of these statements. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So let me roll down next paragraph. The language of this chapter is very easy. It's not very complex. So I think you are understanding. The man with the rat traps had never before seen the iron master at Ramjo and did not even know what his name was. But it occurred to him that if the fine gentleman thought he was an old acquaintance means familiar means parichay, he might perhaps throw him a couple of kroner. I already told you, this one is the currency of Sweden, as India has own currency. At the same way, each country has its own currency. So here kroner is currency of Sweden, because the writer of Selma of this story, she was a Swedish author, a writer. Therefore, he did not want to undeceive him all at once. First of all, we need to see this sentence, not here, and after this one, again negative word, undeceive. Deceive means धोखा देना, betray, and undeceive मतलब धोखा न देना. And not with not, mean double negative, not and undeceive. This one is the double negative. So in this way, you can say this one is the simple sentence, माने friendship बनाना. So first of all, let me tell the meaning of this paragraph. In this paragraph, when Iron Master understands that he is his old acquaintance or his old friend, the peddler understands it's a great chance, because he never came in this company, but first time he came here. But he never comes in this company, but first time he comes here, and the master of this company recognizes him, yeah, knows him. So he understands, you can see he's very cunning person. Cunning means like fox. Who is cunning person here? Rat traps is very cunning person. He understands that he is a very cunning person, he is very clever person. So he very soon he understands that again this one is the great opportunity for him to find money from this master. And so he understands that if he accepts that yes, he is that person, he is his own friend Nils Olof. So it may be he will give him couple of kroner, and in this way he likes this one thing, and he wants to befriend him. In this way, this one is over, this paragraph is over. In this paragraph we again find that the peddler has another I mean, a peddler's has another characteristic. Yeah, you can say peddler. Peddler has a different characteristic. Characteristics means विशेषता. Which type of characteristic he is also cunning person. He is also a cunning person. Every time he also a cunning person. Let me roll down next paragraph. Yes, God knows things have gone downhill with me, he said, without spending even 1 minute. Who replies here? Peddler replies that yes, yes, you are right. God, this one is the grace of God. God gives me such type of downhill. Downhill, you can say patan, so declination. God has given me such type of declination. It is the grace of God. Man, you can say this one is the work of God. This one is the wish of God. I am facing such type of challenges without spending one time. Na? As soon as he finds it's a great chance to benefit himself, na? To make himself beneficial, to take the advantage of this situation, he accepts, yes, yes, you are right. Who said to whom? Here peddler says to the master of the company. I think you are understanding, na? Let me roll down. You should not have resigned from the regiment, said the iron master. Actually, iron master understands that he is his own friend, na? And so now iron master describes, na, what's his earlier condition, what he was doing in the earlier time, his friend was doing in the earlier time of his life. That was the mistake. If only I had still been in the service at the time, it never would have happened. Well, now of course you will come home with me. In this way, the Iron Master here describes that his friend was doing the service in the army, and he accepts that, and he advises his friend, you do not resign there. No, you do not. Resign from your regiment. If you do this service, if you did this service, no, if you did this service, I think your condition would not be like this way, no? Would not be like this. If you did your job in the regiment of army, your condition would not be such type of. So that's no matter. Okay, let us go, no? Let us go with my home. Let us go to my home. Who said let us go to my home? Here Iron Master advises him, please come to me, to my home. Please come with me to my home. Sorry. In this way, this paragraph is over. I hope that you are understanding. Let me roll down next paragraph. To go along up to the to go along up to the manor house and be received by the owner like an old regimental comrade. Comrade, you can say colleague. Colleague means sathi, sahakarmi. Manor, you can say this one is the jamindar, landlord, such type of word. Manor. Manor, different word. This one is the manor. M-A-double-N-E-R. Manner means शिष्टाचार व्यवहार, but manor means manor house. You can say this one is the manor house, Malik ka ghar. To go along up na, to the manor house and be received by the owner like an old regimental comrade, that however did not please the tramp. Tramp means who is tramp here? Peddler. Peddler again understand that if he goes na, if he goes to his house and he will receive a great respect as his own friend, as his own old friend, and now he thinks that it will not be good for him, because if he recognizes, if the iron master recognizes him, what will happen to him? Who starts thinking such type of way? Here again we find peddler is thinking, na? Peddler is thinking such way. And let me roll down next paragraph. No, I could not think of it, he said, looking quite alarmed. Alarmed means again when he proposes him, please come with me to my home. He says, when peddler says, no, he does not want to go to anywhere else. Na? He likes to stay here. Please let me stay here. He requests him. But what happened? Let me in the next paragraph. He thought of the 30 kronor. He thought of the 30 kronor to go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. Here again we find a word homophones. This word is a homophones. In the earlier paragraph we find also den, but in the meaning of that den to express yourself better than any other person. But the meaning of this den means place of lion. No? So he only wanted to chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away. Sneak away means चुपचाप. Sneak away means चोरी छुपे. Sneak चुपके चुपके. Inconspicuously as possible. Inconspicuously माने you can say षड्यंत्र पूर्वक as possible. In this way, in this paragraph, Peddler starts thinking about that stolen money which he stole from the crafter's cottage, and now he thinks that if he goes to his house, it means he voluntarily throws himself into the lion's den, yeah, into the danger, nah? And so he requests again, please let me stay here, and he thinks that staying here today night tonight he will escape from where uh, you can say silently. No one will know about him when morning will be. Okay, in this way, this one is the paragraph. Let me check how many minutes my video has been. 22 minutes. Okay, I stop here because my battery is also low, otherwise it will be switched off. Okay, thanks.